Best Credit Cards in Philippines. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I will talk about the best 6 credit cards in the Philippines. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So whether you're looking for cashback, rewards, travel perks, or low fees, there are credit cards that suit your needs and lifestyle. And today I will compare the features, benefits, and fees of these credit cards and give you my honest opinion on which ones are worth getting. And also a disclaimer that this ranking is based on my own analysis and research, and it may not reflect your personal preferences or needs. And now to proceed, the 6th on the list is this RCBC Flex Visa credit cards, in which by having this credit card, you have the opportunity to earn double rewards point in 2 categories that you can choose from, such as dining, clothing, travel, or transportation. And aside from that, your rewards point can be redeemed for options such as travel, vouchers, cash rebates, or donation. And when using your card for travel purposes, you can benefit from travel insurance, coverage, purchase protection, and access to airport lounges. And aside from that, the card offers budget management features like 0% interest installment plans, balance conversion options, balance transfers, and many more. And there are no fees or cash advance fees associated with this card. And you have the flexibility to choose any date or month as your date. But RCBC Flex Visa does not offer any cashback. Now the rank 5th on the list is this Metrobank Platinum MasterCard, in which using this credit card, you can enjoy up to 50% off at restaurants for an exquisite dining experience. And you can also protect your purchases with an e-commerce insurance. And aside from that, you could also gain access to airport lounges, travel insurance, and purchase protection without any charges. And you could also earn points through a rewards program that can be redeemed for travel, vouchers, or even cash rebates. So say goodbye to fees, cash advance fees, and interest on purchases. And also, you can enjoy the flexibility of choosing your preferred due date for payments. Now moving on to the 4th place on the list of best credit cards in the Philippines is this AUB Gold MasterCard, in which by using this card, you won't have to pay a fee, cash, advance fee, or any interest on purchases. And you could also enjoy the flexibility of choosing your own due date for payments. And you could also take advantage of the rewards programs to earn points that can be used toward travel, vouchers, or cash rebates. And by using this card, you can access airport lounges for free and benefit from travel insurance and purchase protection. And this card has an interest rate of 3%, a foreign transaction fee amounting to 1.5%, a payment fee of 1,000 pesos, and a card replacement fee of 500 pesos. And although it doesn't offer cashback directly, you can also still earn points through the rewards programs that can be redeemed for travel, vouchers, or cash rebates. And now the 3rd place on the list is this HSBC Red MasterCard, in which by using this card, you can earn 4 times the reward points for every 20 pesos spent on shopping, dining, and transactions made overseas. And you could also redeem your reward points for air miles, cash credits, annual fee waivers, or other enticing rewards. And by using this card, you can enjoy a fee for the first year and subsequent years if you spend at least 100,000 pesos annually. And you could also get 6% rebate on your Caltex fuel purchase and a 3% rebate throughout the year. And by using this card, you can access exclusive travel privileges and discounts worldwide through HSBC's Home and Away Privilege program. And you can use your credit card to withdraw cash, pay bills, convert balances, or access installment plans. And that is HSBC Red MasterCard. Now moving on to the 2nd place on the list is this BDO Diners Club Premier, in which by using this card, for every 30 pesos spent, you can earn 1 travel mile, and if you opt for dual currency feature, you'll earn 2 travel miles for every $1 spent. And aside from that, you also have the flexibility to redeem your travel miles for airlines miles, cash credit, annual membership fee waiver, or other rewards. And you can enjoy up to 2 complimentary access passes per year to over 1,000 Diners Club airport lounges worldwide. And when you charge your transportation fare to the card, you'll receive free travel insurance coverage of up to 20 million pesos. And aside from that, you could also take advantage of deals and discounts both locally and internationally with Diners Club privileges. and access to Diners Club travel tools, mobile app to explore airport lounges, activate global Wi-Fi access, convert currencies, and many more. And now, the first on my list to be considered best credit cards in the Philippines is this Citi Cashback Card, in which if you have this card, you have the opportunity to earn cashback of up to 6% on groceries and up to 2% on miracle bills, in which for all purchases you can earn 0.20% cashback, and you can conveniently redeem your earned cashback through online, mobile, or SMS, and even gain access to deals and discounts both locally and internationally with Citi World privileges. And by using this card, you can easily pay for your purchases in installments using Citi PayLite or Citi Flexibill, and instantly access cash through options like Citi Quick Cash or Cash Advance. And now that we know the benefits and features of those credit card, we can now proceed to the pros and cons of those credit card. Starting from RCBC Flex Visa, the pros of using it is that it offers 2 times reward points on 2 preferred categories of your choice, and it also offers free travel insurance, purchase protection, and airport lounge access. While the cons of using it is that it offers high foreign transaction fee of 2.25%, and it has an annual fee of 1,500 pesos, which is waived for the first year. While moving on to the Metrobank Platinum MasterCard, the pros of using it is that it offers up to 50% off on premium dining deals at select restaurants, and it has free e-commerce protection insurance for online purchases. While the cons of using it is that it offers high annual fee of 3,000 pesos, which is waived for the first year, but it offers also a high minimum monthly income requirement of 50,000 pesos. While for AUB Gold MasterCard, the pros of using it is that it offers no annual fee for life, and no interest on new purchases after paying the minimum amount due. But the cons of using it is that it offers low rewards rate, which is 1 point per 50 pesos spent, and no cashback option. While on the other hand, HSBC Red MasterCard, the pros of using it is that it offers 4 times reward points on online overseas dining and shopping spent, and also free travel insurance and purchase protection. While the cons of using it is that it offers high foreign transaction fee of 2% and annual fee of 2,500 pesos, which is waived for the first year. While for BDO Diners Club Premier, the pros of using it is that it offers free airport lounge access, travel insurance, and purchase protection. While the cons of using it is because of its high annual fee of 3,000 pesos, waived for the first year, and high foreign transaction fee of 2%. While for Citi Cashback Card, the pros of it is that it offers up to 6% cashback on supermarket spend, 2% cashback on miracle bills, and 0.2% cashback on all other spend. And it also offers automatic cashback credit every month. While the cons of using it is its high annual fee of 3,500 pesos, which is waived for the first year, and also it has high interest rate of 3.5%. And now to conclude, when it comes to selecting a credit card, it is important to consider your needs and spending habits, in which in the Philippines, there are credit cards including the RCBC Flex Visa, Metrobank Platinum MasterCard, AUB Gold MasterCard, HSBC Red MasterCard, BDO Diners Club Premier, and Citi Cashback Card, in which each card has its set of features and benefits like cashback rewards and installment plans. And it's advisable to compare the card's features and fees before making the decision that aligns with your lifestyle and financial circumstances. So that is just the best credit cards in the Philippines. Thank you.